pretty much like Care Bears or something.
Well, I know a lot of people were like,
Wasn't gonna do a video today, but what the heck? So why don't I show you how I make my favorite hamburger. It's a very good recipe. So here's the first part, and it's probably a little strange to you. I've got a cookie tray I've lined with some parchment paper, and I've just squished down the hamburger on it. So the idea is we're gonna make these flat burgers, and I'm gonna season them, but I'll show you. It's an interesting approach. We sprinkle some onion powder. We sprinkle some garlic powder. We add thyme. We go for some smoked paprika, salt. I've already put pepper on, and some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. I can never feel confident when I'm saying it correctly. So yeah, that's all the seasoning. I'm very sorry I couldn't show you this, but it was definitely a two-handed job. So basically, all I do, that's why I'm using this paper, is you take the paper, you fold it in half, and you've now folded the meat so that all the seasoning is actually on the inside of it now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten it all out again. So I've now mushed the hamburger all down again, so all the spices are inside, sandwiched within the meat. Now I like to use a pizza cutter to cut it. It's going to be a Wendy's style burger, I guess you can say a square burger. Who says burgers have to be round? They look pretty big, but this is regular ground beef, so it will shrink a lot. Plus they're very thin, so they'll cook quickly. I've made up a whole bunch of bacon. These are going to be bacon cheeseburgers. Yummy. Heat meat. Eat. Those bacon cheeseburgers. Oh, so good. Let me show you what I'm up to. Coming down to the man cave, which is now a studio. Look what I got going on here. Crazy. Lights everywhere. I am working on my Q&A video, and that'll be out pretty soon, but I just wanted to put out another video where I didn't say the bad word you're not allowed to say on YouTube, where you get demonetized. Something to do with a virus that's going around. I hope that I didn't say too much, but they keep demonetizing my videos if I mention it. So I'm not going to not mention it. But yeah, this video will be out. It's taking a while. It's way harder than I thought it was going to be, but it should be good. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Definitely try out that cheeseburger recipe. You will love it. See you next time from The Holy Moly. Bye-bye.